Great, you clicked on the right video. That already tells me you're a smart person, because you're here to learn how to make money with AI. If you weren't serious about making money online, you probably wouldn't have clicked on this video. Most people spend their entire day scrolling videos, watching random content, and at the end they get nothing, just wasted time. But you're different. You understand the value of time, and that's why you're here to learn something that can actually help you make money. In this video, I'm going to show you ways to make money with AI that most people still don't know about. And if you really want to make money, then don't skip this video. Watch it till the end, because one idea from this video could change the way you make money. So let's get started. If you feel like everyone around you is suddenly talking about making money with AI, you're not wrong. Something big has shifted. Just a few years ago, making extra income online meant learning complicated skills, investing money, or spending years building something. But in 2026, the rules are different. Now, a person sitting with just a laptop and internet can build multiple income streams using AI tools. And what's even more interesting is that most people still haven't figured this out. They are still stuck scrolling, watching content, and waiting for the perfect time to start. Meanwhile, a small group of people are quietly building side hustles that generate $500, $1,000, or even $5,000 a month. Not because they are smarter, but because they started earlier. So in this video, I'm not going to give you fake hype or unrealistic promises. I'm going to show you 10 AI side hustles that are actually working right now in 2026, especially for beginners in the US. And if you stay till the end, you'll know exactly which one you should start based on your situation. Let's begin with something that most people completely underestimate, and that is AI-powered idea flipping. This is not something you hear often, but it's one of the simplest ways to start making money. Businesses are always looking for fresh ideas, whether it's content ideas, marketing ideas, product ideas, or campaign ideas. Using AI, you can generate hundreds of ideas in minutes, filter the best ones, package them, and sell them. For example, a small business owner might pay $50 to $100 just for a list of high-quality marketing ideas they can use. If you do this for just 10 clients in a month, that's easily $500 to $1,000. You're not selling a product, you're selling thinking power, powered by AI. The second side hustle is AI-assisted storytelling for content creators. Right now, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram are driven by stories. Whether it's business stories, motivational content, or real-life case studies, storytelling is what keeps people watching. Many creators struggle with this. They don't know how to structure a story, how to hook the audience, or how to keep people engaged. AI can help generate story frameworks, scripts, hooks, and emotional angles. You can offer storytelling services to creators and charge $30, $50, or even $100 per script. The demand is huge because attention is the most valuable currency online right now. The third AI side hustle is micro digital products. Not big courses, not long ebooks, but small, highly focused digital products that solve one specific problem. For example, a 30-day discipline planner, a simple budget tracker, or a daily content idea generator. These are quick to create using AI and easy to sell. Instead of selling one product for $100, you sell smaller products for $5, $10, or $15. But because they are simple and useful, more people buy them. If you sell a $10 product and 200 people buy it, that's $2,000, and you can create multiple products over time. The fourth side hustle is AI voiceover services. A lot of videos today need voiceovers, especially faceless videos, ads, explainer videos, and short content. Not everyone wants to record their own voice. AI voice tools can generate natural sounding voices in different tones and styles. You can offer voiceover services for YouTube channels, ads, or business videos. Even if you charge $20 per voiceover and do 50 projects in a month, that's $1,000. The fifth side hustle is content repurposing. This is something almost every creator and business needs, but very few people are doing efficiently. One long video can be turned into 10 short clips, tweets, captions, blog posts, and emails. AI can help you break down content into multiple formats. You can take a podcast or a YouTube video and turn it into multiple pieces of content. Businesses and creators are willing to pay for this because it saves them time and increases their reach. The sixth side hustle is AI-powered niche pages. Instead of building a personal brand, you build theme-based pages like motivation, finance tips, AI tools, business facts, or success stories. AI helps you create posts, captions, and visuals. Once your page grows, you can make money through promotions, affiliate links, and selling your own products. Some niche pages make $500 per month, while others grow into full businesses. The seventh side hustle is simple automation setups. This is not advanced coding. This is basic automation like setting up auto replies, scheduling content, or connecting simple tools to save time. Many small businesses don't understand automation, but they need it. If you learn a few tools, you can offer simple automation setups and charge $100 or more per client. The eighth side hustle is AI-assisted freelancing. Instead of competing as a beginner, you use AI to increase your speed and quality. For example, if you are doing graphic design, writing, or video editing, AI can help you complete projects faster. This allows you to take more clients and increase your income without increasing your working hours. The ninth side hustle is selling AI prompts and templates. This is a new opportunity. Many people use AI tools but don't know how to get the best results. Good prompts save time and improve output. You can create and sell prompt packs, content templates, business templates, or workflow systems. These can sell for $10, $20, or more depending on the value. The 10th side hustle is building simple online systems. This could be a small website, a landing page, a simple funnel, or a basic digital setup for a business. AI tools make this much easier than before. You don't need to be an expert developer. You just need to understand the basics and provide value. Now here's something most videos won't tell you. The problem is not lack of ideas. You now have 10 ideas. The real problem is execution. Most people will watch this, feel excited, and then go back to their normal routine. They will not start, and after 6 months, they will still be in the same place. The difference between someone making $0 and someone making $1,000 per month is not knowledge, it's action. So here's what you should do. Don't try everything. Pick one idea that feels simple to you. Start small. Give it 30 days. Learn it, practice it. Then give it another 60 days to improve. Within 90 days, you will see results if you stay consistent. And once you start making even $100 or $200, you can scale from there. Because at the end of the day, AI is just a tool. It will not do the work for you. But if you use it correctly, it can multiply your effort. And in a world where everything is becoming faster, the people who adapt fast are the ones who win. 1 year from now, AI will be even more powerful. Opportunities will still exist, but competition will be higher. So the best time to start is not later, it's now. Start messy, start small, but start today. Because the sooner you start, the sooner you learn, and the sooner you earn. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. We do not guarantee any earnings, results, or financial success from the ideas shown in this video. All income examples are only for educational purposes. Your results will depend on your skills, effort, experience, and time you invest. This channel and the creator are not responsible for your financial decisions, profits, or losses. This content is not financial advice. Please do your own research before starting any online business, investment, or side hustle.